the Shiv Sena is now backing the JDU's demand. They are saying that the NDA must name its PM candidate and in fact even asked them to hold a meeting immediately. That's the latest information we are getting now. The Shiv Sena is telling the BJP that the final decision on the PM candidate has to be taken by the NDA, not the BJP, and asked them to hold a meeting immediately. In fact, the Shiv Sena is clearly backing at this point JDU's demand and asked the BJP to name the prime ministerial candidate for the year 2014. In fact, the Samna edit talks about how the NDA PM candidate saying that they must decide who it is beforehand. We have Megha Prasad reporting on the story. Megha, clearly the pressure now growing over the BJP over the fact that the PM candidate should be decided in consensus by the NDA and not the BJP alone.
Well, yes, certainly. And, this is Shiv Sena, one of the oldest allies of the BJP and part of the NDA. And they will, in a situation like this where you already have JDU almost on the brink of leaving the coalition and, things are certainly not well on that front. In such a situation, it may be a tad bit difficult for the BJP to be angering or rubbing the Shiv Sena the wrong way. Now, Uddhav Thackeray himself is not in town, but Samna, of course, the mouthpiece of Sena, has come out in no uncertain terms when they said today morning in the article published in Samna that the NDA, that the BJP, of course, should decide on the prime ministerial candidate only on the basis of consensus. It also goes on to say that if Narendra Modi is made the prime ministerial candidate, it might just help in winning maybe a meager another 5 or 10 seats, but it will certainly result in losing of valuable allies. Now, these statements are pretty direct and forthwith, and in a way, it seems that Sena, might now also be wanting some sort of a clarity when it comes to the prime ministerial candidate of the BJP or the face of the NDA who will be taking on the Congress. So it may not be seen as like a major, huge pressure from Shiv Sena, but certainly they are also asserting their position. They also want clarity, and they want a candidate chosen by consensus. They have not said anything against Narendra Modi, but they have also made it clear that bringing Narendra Modi at the forefront of everything might just result in losing of allies who've been with the NDA for a very long time.